Surely the easiest way to provide water in the garden is to add a bird bath. And it is, as the name suggests, a place where birds can bathe and keep their feathers in tip-top condition. But of course, it's a place where they can also have a drink, which they'll often need, both in icy weather and in warm weather. This is the RSPB's bird bath, which is made of lightweight resin. So this is much lighter than it looks, really easy to put together, and it comes with ground pegs to ensure that it remains stable. And it has all the features that birds love in a bird bath. My motto for a bird bath is it should be ideally like a puddle on a stick. And this is what you've got here, a shallow puddle, so that birds haven't got deep water that they would be nervous about. They can perch on the edge, have a drink, or if they want to, they can all pile in together and have a communal bathe. It's really important to keep bird baths hygienic, and we've got a video all about that to show you the best way how. But pop this in your garden, preferably in prime view from your window, and it'll give you loads of attention as well as giving your garden birds all of the water that they need.